Let's discuss the PAWS listing dates, the exchanges that are going to list PAWS, and many more in this very short video. The first thing here is, if you come to the PAWS X page, discover that there is no listing date, to be very specific, yet on this very handle, but there is something that is very, very key to the listing date. If you look at this very post and you zoom it out a little bit, if you can see right here, if you zoom it out, you discover that this very post is pointing to the fact that Tuesday is going to be the listing dates of PAWS. Tuesday, no specific dates. If you look at it, you see Tuesday 03, that is the month of March, and then you see column and then XX, which means the date is not announced yet. However, there are key factors pointing to several dates on the calendar, which I'm going to show you briefly in a moment. So the listing date definitely is going to be the month of March, and that is very, very important right now if you are on the PAWS airdrop. Now, there are Twitter accounts that are actually very, very good source of information to this very airdrop, because they've been giving legit information, and let's say 90% of their information have been very true, which means it can be insider secret kind of information. Okay, so they are projecting that the listing date could be on the 4th, which is not going to be possible because 4th is tomorrow, or it's going to be on the 11th, remember Tuesday, March. And on the 18th is another probable date, and on the 25th is another date. Now, these are the Tuesdays that we have in the month of March: 4th, 11th, 18th, and 25th. So any of these days can fall out, but we have removed this very 4th. It's not going to be possible because 4th is tomorrow, and right now we're left with 11th and 18th. Now, there is another information that this very date is going to be the listing date, that is the 11th, but I don't know how true that information is, that 11 is going to be the listing date. However, what I am looking at is the 11th of March or 18th of March. This is super important. So these two dates, you mark it on your calendar. PAWS is going to definitely come, and if it fails, then on the 25th is going to definitely be the date that PAWS is going to list. So Tuesday is guaranteed, and right now the exchanges that is going to list PAWS is Bybit, we have OKX, and many other exchanges like BitGet and the rest. However, there have been this negotiation with Binance, but I don't think Binance deal is going to go through. And if you remember, the last Web3 Telegram mini game that Binance listed was Hamster Combat, and since then we've not seen any listing of this Telegram mini game on Binance. Hamster Combat was the last. I don't think PAWS can break through that very day, and if they do, it will be a massive bonus for the token to move upward. And however, even though Binance did not list it, the token can still do very, very well. So these are the exchanges that is on board right now, and I believe information is going to come in. PAWS is committed to a seamless claim. That means it will be very, very simple to claim your token, and that is very important. And with what they've been doing in the past, I believe that seamless claim is going to play out perfectly. And let's wait for PAWS to drop the specific listing date among this date that is right now on this very calendar. So mark the 11th, mark 18th, and 25th. Any of these days is going to play out perfectly well this very month of March. And my price prediction remains the same. I told you I am looking at 0.0005 to be the listing price of PAWS, and 0.005, that is the highest I am expecting, although price can move above that, but that is the range. I am expecting the listing of this very PAWS token to be a 0.305 and 0.205 as well. So this is a very important update, guys. TG is coming soon, listing this very month. Everything is going to wrap up, and our dollar equivalent of this very token is going to come in very, very soon. So that is the important updates right now on the PAWS airdrop. Consider supporting this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe if you have not, and turn on the bell notification for more crypto videos like this one. Also check the channel for other crypto content. Join our Telegram channel, the link in the description, and also in the pinned comment for more crypto updates. Thanks for your support.